You like the idea of a family-friendly fire pit? Well, I do. I love it. I think it's nature's television. There's a couple of things you need to consider. You want to be safe. So I'm about 4 metres off the building. The tap's just on the side and the hose is ready to go in case anything goes wrong. And you want to start with a nice level base. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just taking the grass out. Now in a lawn scenario like this, you just want to take the grass out and bring in a little bit of coarse sand so you can get a nice flat footing. If you're going on an existing slab, just make sure that it's level, because the rule is start level, finish level. I've compacted the sand and screened it off. Now I want to check for level, and I'm going to do the 4 sides of a circle. Doesn't make sense? Well, I'll show you. There's one, nice and level. Transfer that over here, nice and level. 2, 3, going well. 4 sides of my circle are level. We're ready to lay blocks. Just finishing off the first course. Now you can make your circle as big or as small as you like just by opening up the gaps at the back. Mine's slightly larger, about 10 mil at the back and then butt at the front. And because I've got the lugs, I'm just tapping it into the sand to get it nice and level. Wiggle that around. First course is done, second course is even easier. You just slip it in behind it and have a stretcher bond, which means the next one sits over this joint here and so on all the way around. I put the third course of the Eziwall light in just to make a little bit more of a statement. Now this is definitely a family-friendly fire pit. You've got the wall to keep the kids away. They're little short arms. They won't be falling in there or touching the side of the bowl. Now the good thing about this is everything here that you see, you can get down at Bunnings. From the wall to the blue metal and even the fire pit. So all I've got to do now is get the firewood, start the fire up and start to relax.